good afternoon.
Good evening.
We
Good
are
night.
very happy to say we got a package from Seafood Hut TT. This is my very first time having a seafood platter. This is the boil, a seafood boil. Thank you very much, waiter. Look at that. Look how pretty. I have never had this before, and remember we were contemplating just Sunday to buy a box. So thank you guys so much. I'm going to link the Instagram handle right here, but we are going to dig in.
What you wanna try first?
Anissa can't wait. Okay, so alright, so before we start, this platter is $150. Now it came in a box. We just dished it off in mommy tray. So this platter comes with a lobster, shrimp, corn, potato,
Egg.
yes,
Corn,
eggs,
or
and
broccoli.
sausage.
Yeah,
Sausage and broccoli. Guys, look at that. I've never had this before, and it's
Smelling.
smelling real good.
Yeah,
It also
it's
came
really
with a sauce, right? This is the sauce that it came with, but we tried it already. So who gonna go first?
Since she impatient.
I'm sorry, I'm patient. So I will hold it up so you all could see.
Oh, I'm gonna try first.
You try.
I want to try this. I was eyeing this for the longest while.
Potato look nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm coming in or no? Yeah, I'm
Coming
coming.
in, my time then. Testing time.
I love shrimp, so I'm gonna try a shrimp.
I'll take a broccoli.
Okay.
How do you say
Like a sausage.
I love the English.
Alright, how the potato?
The potato is real nice.
Mmm.
As we eat the,
Chocolate.
as we eat the, we get a little lighter. So
The
So easy up. You can ease up my hand.
lobster leg tasting good.
This is real good. I'll have to say for mommy and daddy. But guys,
Wait, I'll take a shrimp. Since
like I said, this platter is $150. They also have
nobody eating the egg.
yeah, we'll eat the egg just now.
how we did.
No, we'll share the egg. They also have prices ranging from $100 to $150, $200, $250. It depends. I guess you could customize it as you like. Check out their page. This is not the only one you can get. It tastes really, really good, and they do deliveries. I would also put the contact number where you can WhatsApp them so you can get further details. But guys, really, this is my first time and I'm very impressed.
For all the seafood
Thank
lovers,
you so very much. I
try it.
love seafood. I'll try the corn now.
Come on, try one time.
Shrimp. Mom in the background.
I
Go
love
ahead.
shrimp.
That was the egg I was watching. I thought
Mommy
she
going
said
for
she
the
wanted
egg.
the egg.
Lobster.
I never had it.
Really?
No.
Aww. Okay, we'll give Anita a piece of the lobster. Well, Anita's
I'll
never
taste
had
it.
lobster before, so try it, honey.
Okay, look, I'll get a shrimp. Huh.
You'll hear Daddy in the background.
Champion.
Champion. No, you'll say.
Yo, well.
Lovely.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
He got a new word.
Okay, so let's go. No, this lobster meat is sweet and nice.
Yeah, that's it.
It tastes really
Wow.
good. Lobster, this tastes real nice. Hear that?
Oh, shucks, I dip in the pepper.
It's tasting
I don't know, I love
nice.
seafood.
Where you from?
Cuba.
It's a nice dinner for a couple.
I put in. Nah. I lobster till empty.
I am on to the crab.
Couldn't beat it.
It tastes real good, and for the first time, I was really, really impressed.
Anything more than this?
You all hear this from the man himself in the background, right? I forgot to mention they also have vegetarian options as well for my vegan friends out there. Be sure to check them out if you're feeling fancy, if you're feeling like not cooking, if you're just feeling like treating yourself. Give them a shout.